One thing that I want to point out, if you're going to be working with anchors, anchors don't necessarily only work on one particular page. If you want to link to a specific location within a different page, you can do that by making reference to the anchor. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go ahead and create a new document. Come up to the File menu and choose New. That will open up the New Document dialog box. We want to create a blank page. It's going to be an HTML page, and we don't need a layout. Go ahead and click Create, and just save this document. Go to the File menu, choose Save As, and save this in the Chapter 6 folder. I'm going to go ahead and call this test.html and save it. You can also title the document Test as well if you want to. And what we want to do is link to anchors.html. That's easy enough. All we have to do is type in some text, go to Page, select that text, and then link it. Remember, you can link it by clicking the folder icon down here in the Properties panel to the right of the Link text field. Then you want to browse into the Chapter 6 folder and find Anchors. Go ahead and open that and save the document and then preview it in a web browser. If you click Go to Page, it brings you to the Anchors page. But what if you wanted to link to this page but land on Picture 4? Well, that can be achieved. Again, let's come back into Dreamweaver. And what we want to do here is type in Go to Picture 4. Again, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to select this text, and we can browse to the Anchors page. Let's go ahead and select it. But the difference is, and you can do this either here in this dialog box or in the Properties panel, you want to add something to this URL. For right now, I'll go ahead and click Open. It creates the same link that we have for Go to Page, except here, we want to go ahead and add a blinking cursor towards the end of the link, type in the £, and then the name of the ID, which in this case is Pic4. Go ahead and press Enter or Return to apply that. And again, you want to make sure that this is applied. If you come over to the split view, make sure that this is selected. In the split view, you can look at the code and you can verify that that ID is in fact added to the HTML page that you're linking to. So go ahead and save the document again and preview it in a web browser. When you do, when you click on Go to Picture 4, sure enough, you link to the anchors.html page, but more specifically, you're pointed to the Picture 4 location. So I just wanted to point out, if you're going to be working with named anchors, you can use those across pages. All you have to do is add the ID or anchor name at the end of the page that you're linking to, but of course you have to use that £.